So now we're going to gather information from the sources that you found. And if you look at this, we have our 3 subtopics. So I'm going to take my first one, types of lies. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it on to my slide. As you can see here, here's a subtopic. So I'm going to just copy and paste that in there. And there's some directions in here that and I think actually when you're pasting, we might want to, so we can keep it the same. See what happens when I do that. Yeah, paste without formatting so that you keep the same formatting. And it tells you right here to add a citation. An example would be it's the author's last name, or if you can't find an author, you put what the title of the website is or where you're getting the information from and the year, and then you put your factor information down below. So if I'm going to do this, I'm going to take and I'll pull this so you can see it a little bigger. I'm going to go to my first website that I have, and this one is How to Tell If Someone is Lying, and there is an author here. So it says by savvy psychologist Ellen Hendrickson. I only need the last name, so and it's from in 2016. I don't need the June at all. So I go to here. I go to back to my topic, and I put that in here. Remember, paste, if you can do that, paste without formatting. And it said that it was in 2016, so I put 2016 on there. And then now I'm going to add my information. So I'm giving, it's called a citation, and I'm giving credit to where the information came from. Now I'm adding my facts. So I go back to the site and I go down and I read, and I don't know that this is the right facts. I'm just copying, but I'm showing you. I read this and I found, oh, here's a good piece of information I need. And you just literally are going back to here and typing that information in. And I need to get rid of the capital letter here because I'm saying Hendrickson in 2016 reports that, and you can have reports that tells us that either way, can you handle the truth? So it goes into the information. And what I'd like you to do is to get 3 bits of information. So you'd have some there that you copied and you'd have some there. And if you want more than that, you can. But I'm just saying you need at least 3 good pieces of information. Now we need to know where that website came from. So you're going to copy and paste the web address. You go up to the top, you click on it, and you copy it. And you go and put it down at the bottom. So you can get back to the information if you need to. You can just kind of click like that and it makes it a live link. And so you just keep filling these out for each subtopic. This subtopic would be, let's see here, where is that? Would be physical cues and person lying, and the last one would be how lying impacts people. So you'd fill all those out. And I have an example down here of all of that. I think it's on the first one is the example one that's done. So you can see this is subtopic 1, lying technology, and here's the information. Then subtopic 2, physical cues about lying person displays, and subtopic 3, implications of telling lies. So that information is gathered in here. If you don't really want, I don't know why this is here. Anyway, I'll fix that hopefully. And these actually aren't the best examples, so I might need to fix it. I'll fix it when you look at it. It'll be better. Okay, and then you just fill all these out and your introduction is done. There is a video to watch, and then you go peer conference with another person who's done. So find somebody who's done. You put their name on here. When you finish, find a peer who is also done. Proofread your partner's slides together to find things to fix and give feedback, and show your teacher for feedback before you submit your assignment. So this is going to be a Google assignment, so you'll be submitting it.